everybody. Today we're going to talk about global address. We have 4 hemispheres to help us know what a global address. Well, a global address is like the address of your country. You will be like, what? A country do have an address? But yes, it does have an address. So the 4 hemispheres will help us know our country global address, which is southern, western, eastern, and northern. They symbol it with 4 letters: N, W, E, and S. The north is on top. The west is on the left, on the right, and the east is on the right. And last, the south is at the bottom. To know our global address, our global address is the part we're in. So let's take an example, which is where my country is. I'm in Vietnam. Here's Vietnam, it's in Asia. So it's this S right here. You can see 2 of these lines, which is the prime meridian and the equator. Our equator is horizontal. So this is the south. Let me check. It's the north, The north, and this is the east. Right? Yeah, it's the east. So it will be northern and eastern. It's on both sides. So Vietnam is here. So it's on the north, which is here, and the east, which is here. We'll know it's in the northern and eastern. The prime meridian and the equator. The equator splits the earth in half this way, so like straight and smack in the middle. So this is the northern and this is the southern. And the prime meridian let us know the west and east. So here's the west, here's the east. Vietnam is in the northern and the eastern. Maybe you have understand what a global address is. Now we'll see the 7 continents. To know where our country is in, we need our 7 continents. Like Vietnam here is in Asia. Asia is 1 continent. It is also the biggest continent. Now here is Australia. You don't need to care of the Oceania thing. That's actually, it has 2 names for real. Australia, or you can call is the name of the country, Australia. And Oceania is the real name of the continent. Many people use Australia more than Oceania, but you can call it Oceania if you want to. Australia is also a country. It's a really big country, but the people there's not so much people. Let's move on to our next continent. Europe is the 2nd smallest. When I was younger, I thought Europe was a country. which is really, but now I know it's a continent, and I'm really surprised. So you don't need to care with the Middle Eastern thing. It's a part of Europe, so let's move on anyways. Africa. Africa is a continent that has tons of animals. So like it has like all the animals you ever imagined to. It has a lot of animals. Africa has lions, elephants, tigers, and blah blah blah. There's a lot. Now, two of our last continent is North America and South America. You can see North America is in the north, and South America is in the south. That's how it's got the name. It's America. It's both America. It's just in two parts. So they split it into two continents. And here's North America, where USA is, and Canada. And here's South America. I don't really know what country is in South America, but there should be a lot of countries. And last, Antarctica. Antarctica is really cold. I know one thing about Antarctica is that it's a desert. It is a cold desert. It's the coldest and the biggest desert in the world, which I still can't believe, which is true. So that is our 7 continents. I told you the 2 lines, so we don't need to talk about that now anymore. So that's what a global address is. It's really cool to know your address. So that is the end of my video. Goodbye.